Discernment over noise, family, brand, and truth. Welcome to Silence Screams Loud Strength. I am Samantha, your host. Hi friends, today I want to speak about something that's circulating online. Opinions, assumptions, and misrepresentation. This isn't about celebrity gossip. It's about understanding, control, family, and public image. Remember, family, brand, often what you see online is shaped by a team, not personal intentions. So, control versus narcissism. Let's clarify a comment of misconception. The key points here are control over yourself. It's not the same as control over others. Eating disorders often reflect a need for self-control, a coping mechanism with anxiety or chaos. Narcissistic behavior seeks to control others, to feed ego or power. So there is a difference here. Intent or target matters. Controlling yourself or others. So for reflection, really, have you noticed how often we confuse these two? Control of self and control of others. And so this conversation is about family versus brand. Another thing that people are misunderstanding. The key point here is the team manages the brand, PR, social media, public image, public facing content, curated, not always authentic, family interactions. There is a distinction between a brand and decisions that are made from a personal intention. What you see online may not reflect reality at home. Reflection, reality to anything that you have been digesting is different. The danger of public judgment. Some professionals and ministers publicly judging this family. The credentials do not give license to label publicly. Biblical reminder for everyone who claims to be a spiritual. James 4:11-12. True guidance, empathy, and understanding is not about clicks or outrage. So, family, blood, loyalty. Now let's talk about the family. You can love from a distance, and that may be necessary. By shutting doors entirely, that is equal, regret in the future. No marriage, no relationship can thrive on division over superficial events. A wedding dress, a dance, or media controversy rarely represents the full story. So, blood ties cannot be dismissed, lightly. That's blood ties cannot be dismissed lightly. Brand, team, and public perception in high-profile families that has a team that manages the public image, not the family in its reality. The post may reflect strategic positioning, not personal emotions. So it's understanding the distinction that prevents misattribution of blame. So blame is not truth. So spiritual and psychological perspective, well, you decide, but observe, reflect. 1. Control is not narcissism. Look at the intent. Family, blood, and shared history deserve honor. Family media narratives are partial. Family truth and love are lifelong investments. No brand, no rumor, or viral posts can replace them. Share this if it resonates with you. And please remember, there is a family behind all of this. There are people behind all of this.